Demystifying the rules of volleyball, foot play.
Hello everyone, welcome to our volleyball tutorial series. Today, we'll be addressing an often misunderstood aspect of volleyball, the use of feet. A question we frequently receive is using your feet allowed in volleyball, and if so, when can it be used? Let's dive right in.
Is using your feet allowed in volleyball?
In a nutshell, the answer is yes. The official volleyball rules, as outlined by the Fédération Internationale de Volleyball, FIVB, permit players to use any part of their body, including their feet, to hit the ball. This is true regardless of whether you're playing indoor, beach, or grass volleyball. However, it's important to note that using your feet isn't a common practice, simply because it's typically less effective than using your hands or arms. Yet in certain situations, a foot play can be a lifesaver.
When can feet be used in volleyball?
Understanding when you can use your feet in volleyball can be a game changer. 1. Defensive plays. When the ball is about to touch the ground, and it's too far away to reach with your hands, a quick kick can keep the ball in play. 2. Serve receives. Rarely, but occasionally, if a serve is coming low and fast to your feet, you might opt to kick pass it. 3. Emergencies. Sometimes, a player might be caught off guard or in a bad position to play the ball with their hands or arms, and a foot save could be the only option. Remember, the aim is to keep the ball off the floor on your side of the court. In desperate situations, a well-placed foot can do just that. In conclusion, while using your feet in volleyball is not a commonly employed strategy, it is completely legal and can be a great option in certain situations. As with all aspects of the game, knowing your rulebook and having a wide array of skills at your disposal can make a significant difference. Hopefully, this clears up any confusion around the topic. Keep practicing, and we'll see you at the next session.